Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can exactly embed or add or connect, whatever you call it, Google Maps with Webflow. This should be a very simple and easy video to follow, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. So Google Maps will be added to your Webflow using the Dynamic Map application. So the Dynamic Map app by No-Code Flow provides the most comprehensive Google Maps integration for Webflow, connecting directly to your CMS without code. So all you need to do is to install from the Webflow marketplace. So you could either click on this link here in case you didn't have it. Simply just go to your marketplace, click on application, and there click on here and search for Dynamic App. So click on this one. Basically, yeah, this is the same. So this one that you are going to look for, and simply here you can read what you will be expecting from this app to deliver to you and see if this is exactly what you wanted. And once you have read everything, click on install application. Now you need to actually create an account within the platform, so make sure to put here your email and password. So let me just do that real quick for you guys. Here we go. Here I'm gonna put the email, and here we got the actual password. So here we go. Now get products update, accept, and sign up. So once the account is created, you need to verify your account. So simply please check your email. I'm going to do that by going to my Gmail and then clicking on the first one, verify it, and now it should be good to go. So we should simply wait for anything else. Let me just check for anything else here. But yeah, overall, this is exactly what you want. So once you have created your account, simply click on login, and from there you simply have to save, log in, and this should be taking you to the account that you have. So yeah, that's basically it. Now once you have created your account and everything is set down, simply just go to your website and basically go to the dashboard. I'm going to go to my website, choose the one that you want to use it for, and simply go to the left side. You will have like a menu on the left, click on plus, and then search for the application that you just downloaded and integrate it, whether here, for example, create a new section and add it right here. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.